again. Carlos.
What?
Carlos, calm down.
Every time, dude.
Hang on, I'll get some. I don't know what to get though.
I'll get M&Ms or Snickers.
Just I'll get M&Ms. I only have. I don't know. Okay.
I know it's good.
I don't want M&Ms, but I'm only doing it so you can get your chips. Okay, so you're gonna owe me 50 cents.
Oh, it's 50 cents.
Yeah, just 50 cents. No. It's $1.75, but I'm nice, so I'm gonna make you owe me 50 cents. Is that mine?
No. It's just 50 cents.
Yeah, this is mine.
No, that's my debt paid.
E4, I don't know. Okay, here goes. I was about to say
E.
Swear to God, if something happens.
What the fuck?
It just bounced off. Okay.
So annoying.
Yeah, what if I can suck?
Give me 25 cents. I still have another dollar. So.
That's 75. You know what? Screw it. You're gonna owe me $1.25. But with that cent, it's $1.50. Wait. Okay, go. Sorry, I was covered. I swear to God.
I hate life. I really hate life.
You got stuck? Hang on. I'll get it. Oh, that sucks.